So this video we are going to learn the fourth exercise in lesson number 5. Sans Londres de vos bras pour un faire une sève. Change the position of the two sentences in order to make it into one single sentence. Faites la modification nécessaire. Do the necessary changes or modifications. Sample. History and regime. I follow the diet. It's not comes only for the verb être, it is I am. So here history, it also comes in the verb suivre. S-U-I-V-R-E. That is suivre verb, it is coming. It is not être. I follow a diet, or I am following the diet. My mère c'est riche. My mother is happy. So here, using this two sentences, you have to change it into a single sentence. Here the second sentence to make that as a expressions. And it should end with the word k. And the first sentence, you must concentrate the verb. That verb restate, it's after the k you have to present according to the given subject. That is, you have to write in subjunctive tense. Whenever you place the verb after expression, you talks about or happy or emotion or order. In that case, you need to use verb subjunctive. So here we are going to see my mère is reçue. My mother is happy that I might follow a diet or I am following the diet. First one, tu comprends tout. You understand everything. Je suis ravi. I am delighted. Ravi is not a name of the person. The meaning of this is delighted. It is adjective. Okay. So you must do here. The second sentence must come here as the first sentence using k. Okay. Second sentence you take and write in the first part. That is an expressions. And first sentence, it comes in the right side using the verb and subjunctive. So, je suis ravi que, I delight that, or I'm glad that, tu dash tu. So, comprendre, your verb is you have to conjugate it in subjunctive tense because it is placed after the expressions or emotions. I am glad that you might understand you are able to understand everything. So the verb comprendre should be in subjunctive, like prendre. You need to conjugate this comprendre subjunctive stem. So comprendre, ILS form of prendre, it is PRENNENT. So remove ENT, you will get the stem. And according to the stem, the given subject in the sentence is tu. So tu ending is ES. Comprendre. So according to the subject, you can write the ending. That you must remember. So subjunctive stem in blue color and subjunctive ending in red color. So finally your sentences will be Je suis ravi que tu comprendre tout. I am delighted that you understand everything. Number 2. Il y a eu un accident de je peur. There was an accident and I freed. Je peur, it comes in the first part because it is an emotion. So after the expressions, so the given verb is a. So after the expressions, you try to put the k word and first sentence will goes in the right side. In that case, the verb avoir is conjugated in subjunctive tense. When the subject is IL, the special subjunctive conjugation, it is EIT. It is my je peux qu'il y ait un accident. Third one. Sunita conduit la voiture, je suis content. Sunita is driving the car, I am happy. So I am happy is the expressions. So je suis content que afterwards que I am happy that the first sentences will go in the right side, and that case the verb conduire placed after the and expressions. It talk about the emotions. The verb conduire should be in subjunctive. I will get you some subjunctive stem. So it is a general rule. ILS form of the present tense and remove ENT and add subjunctive ending. Okay. Ending is very, very important because the subject is Sunita. So ending is add E. That is enough. Fourth one. Vous ne pouvez pas venir. Elle est désolée. You cannot come. She is feeling so sad. So this part will be, the second sentences will be coming on expressions after que, elle est désolée que, she said that vous ne dash pas venir. Pouvoir is going to be placed at the right side after this expressions. It is talks about an emotion, and verb pouvoir should be in subjunctive. And remember, the verb pouvoir, you have an irregular verb, so you will get a irregular subjunctive conjugation, so you must pair up that pouvoir also. I already told the avoir, être, aller, and then faire, pouvoir. So these are the verb you must concentrate, then it is easy for you to understand this exercise soon. So it is very, very important. Okay. So next thing is, you must see the video 2 or 3 times. That it is your duty to understand. So fifth one. C'est un peu ne parti. Tout dans des choses fancy. These children are fight all the time. I am getting angry. So this talks about emotion that will become an expression. So you need to put the word que. Je suis fâché que. And first sentence will become the second part of the sentences. Say songs, that is according to the say, you have to write here the verb is bathu. That bath is then subjunctive. So gender rule, IES form of present tense, and remove ENT, and remaining thing is system, and ending is according to that. Ending is a plural form, so you can add ENT form also. Okay, this exercise is very, very important, so try to revise it. Thank you.